Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Doing LBM Things video. I'm LBM, and today we're going to be fixing that annoying creaking sound that comes from your door, and we're going to be fixing it with this, a 2-inch piece of abrasive resistant high-tack acrylic adhesive. Let's go. So if you're like me, you've noticed that sometimes when you're driving really slowly over a bump, you hear a creaking sound that seems to come from somewhere in the door jamb around this area. The solution I found on YouTube was by Tommy L Garage, and that was to line the entire sill with tape. So through some trial and error, I've managed to isolate the sound, and it's not coming from this sill portion where this rubber meets the sill, but rather this part of the door and this part. And when you go over bumps or any parts of the road that are uneven, it causes it to vibrate and move up and down and making a creaking sound. So the solution I've found is simple. It's actually 2 inches of this tape, and we're going to place this tape right here. I've already done it to the other side, and the results are amazing. So the first thing you want to do is to clean the area. I used 61% alcohol, so you want to make sure that there's no dust, there's no oils, and it's free from any debris that would prevent a good adhesion from taking place. And once you've cleaned that off, and make sure you're wearing gloves like I am, you're able to then apply it to this area, and I'll show you what it looks like when I apply it. And this is the final product after application, and that's all you'll need. And you press it. No sound. Well, I hope this video was informative and useful to you. If you like it, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let me know if you like the content. Please comment down below. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see. I definitely have more content coming. We actually just got the pump that I need in order to do the manual transmission fluid change. So that's going to be coming up. I still have to ceramic coat the rims. There's also a lot going on in terms of carbon fiber bits that need to be wrapped at Houston PPF. So keep a lookout for that as well. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.